Okay, I went ahead and grabbed some vice grips and got that clutch off of there. Already put the new one on. That's the old one. It doesn't look bad, but it makes the clutch rattle a lot. So there's a little wire that spins around and pumps the oil. You gotta find that down in there. Okay, and then there's a line on the outside of the clutch to line it up. You can always spin that too and make sure it's pumping oil. When you put the sprocket on, make sure the side that's written on is facing out. That's how you don't get it on backwards. And just the washer. Probably use those vice grips there to squish this E-clip back on there. And then it's just putting a bar and chain on it, adjusting that. Halfway, so should go on easy now. That's loose. I can spin. Alrighty, now we get the bar and chain back down. Gotta watch myself. This thing is sharp. Oops. Sorry, didn't mean to make you guys go for a stumble. There's the bar and chain. Double check that it's going the right direction too. Okay. Too hard now. We tighten it back down a little because I did loosen it up a little. I do every time I take the bar and chain off. Here's the chain back on. Might be a little snug. I may have to loosen it up in a minute, but it's okay. That'll do for now. Set this over here. Bring you guys over to a better position.